everyone, Amanda here with Moses and Me Card Company. Today I am going to be showcasing the cards we create with the February 2023 card kit of the month for Spellbinders. It is called Spring Delight. Let's see what we get in the kit. So we start off, let's start with the papers. The papers are now cut down for us in an A2 size. And we get, let's see here, we get this mint green, this bright yellow, soft pink, light blue, and a navy blue, which is a really pretty navy color. I always like navy. We also get some really cute stickers. These are just, they're not puppy stickers. They're just stickers. Let's see what they, cute little inchworm is kind of cute. They got a little kitty cat, a little goose. So we get some stickers. Got some labels. And also, we also get some puppy stickers, which are nice. We get some pattern paper. I used to get a whole pad, but now they've cut down, so you get one sheet of each. Little ducks. I got two of those. That's probably only supposed to get one. Nice little patterns here, very springy feeling. That's pretty. The little flowers, the gold embellishments. So there you have the pattern paper. We also get, of course, our envelopes and card bases. We get our adhesive, which is a foam tape, and some just double-sided tape. We get these beautiful sequins. We get a pack of chipboard stickers. I'm sorry, we get a pack of ephemera. We also get a pack of chipboard stickers, which are cute. The little bunny is cute there. And little owls and stuff. So this is exciting. And then I also added on, I went ahead and bought the add-on for this month, which is the spring tea add-on, which is a little bunny and a teacup, which I thought was kind of cute. So I am in the mood to make some Easter cards and some spring cards, so let's see what I create with this kit. Look forward to showing you guys. Alright, so here are the 6 cards we were able to create using this month's card kit. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of struggle with these kits. Given that they don't have really any stamps or anything in them anymore. So I had to bring in some additional supplies rather to supplement what we got. So I like this little goose here in the umbrella, and thought that I would pair him with a friend who they're kind of on the seas of life together. I did use a embossing folder that I got from the Raindrops. Called Raindrops. It's from, they had a bunch of umbrellas come out from Vicky. I'm not even going to try to say her last name, but I did emboss some blue cardstock that I had in my stash, and I also used the stamp set from that collection called I've Got You Covered. So it's got like little stamps that go along with kind of this rainbow or this rainy day feel. Thought since we had one of the little guys in an umbrella, that was a perfect time to whip that out. So there you have card number 1. And then of course I took the little butterflies and just kind of gave him something to be looking at up there above the thinking of you. So there you go, card number 1. Card number 2 is very similar, only this time I decided to make my own umbrella, and I used that I've Got You Covered stamp set for the hello, and the sentiment down here. I used some of the puffy foam stickers that we got in the kit, and the cute little butterfly again. I really like those little butterflies. I think they're like the perfect size, and just really kind of cute. So I took the little frog and the goose again, and I used the umbrella bloom to create this umbrella here. I thought that little goose paper was cute. It would seem like it would be something an umbrella pattern would have on it. For card number 3, I like the chipboard umbrella. As you can tell, I like umbrellas. So that is covered. I used that chipboard umbrella sticker that we got, and I also brought in the 3D Spring Burst embossing folder. That's what I embossed that background with. This is some of the pattern paper. Again, I got a little bit of a butterfly from the ephemera and a foam sticker. That Hello Sunshine is from, again, the I've Got You Covered stamp set, which I just kind of thought was a nice, simple card. There's not a whole lot in the card kits anymore. I mean, there's a lot of ephemera and stuff, but I am not always the greatest at creating with ephemera, so I'm trying to just kind of stretch myself just a little bit. Then for card number 4, I really like this piece of ephemera. I thought that was so cute, the little bunny in the cup. So I used some of the pattern paper. This is some Love from Lizzie peel-offs in the glitter. Like, they're iridescent and they've got a little glitter in them. I used, of course, that butterfly again. I liked how that was kind of a tone on tone with the hearts. This Hello Friend is from one of the add-ons this month. This was for a pocket full of spring sentiments. I guess it goes with the stitching die, but I went ahead and bought it so that I could have it. And I also used a circle die. This is from MFT. This is called the Peekaboo a Circle Window, which I like. I think it creates a nice little shape on my window. And there you have card number 4. So these are really stretching me to be a little bit more creative with my supplies and stuff. For card number 5, I really like these little chipboard stickers. I thought the little images were really cute, and so I used all 3 of them on this little, this is another MFT die that I used to cut this out. This is this die, and it is called the Triple Peekaboo Window. So it just makes this nice little border here for little images to sit in. That, of course, is mounted on some fun foam. Usually I'll mount, like this centerpiece here is mounted on fun foam just to kind of give some things some dimension. And the little chipboard stickers are kind of set back. I also use the flower chipboard stickers, the happy birthday chipboard sticker, and another one of those little monochromatic butterflies. The Have a Beautiful Day is from the stamp set of the month, which has a cute little bunny in it. Let's see if I can find it. It's floating around somewhere on my desk, I guess. Here it is. Here's our little stamp set of the month. So they have some cute little sentiments that, you know, are kind of bunny and Easter related. And then last but not least, I wanted to use, of course, the last add-on that I got for this kit, which was the Hoppy Spring. This is Spring Tea. So I created this little guy. He's kind of a gray bunny. And I, again, used the Happy Easter stamp set and some more of the pattern paper from the card kit. The middle panel is, of course, popped up on some fun foam. And there you have card number 6. So there are our 6 cards for this month's kit. I hope that you enjoyed seeing them, and I appreciate you guys stopping by and just taking a look and commenting and just watching my videos. I appreciate it very much, and I guess I look forward to posting the next one, which will hopefully be our Simon Says Stamp card kit of the month for March. Look forward to sharing what I did with that one. So thank you all so much, and we'll chat with you guys soon. Talk to y'all later. Thanks.